Good morning to all. Today we are going to see a problem in Tally. Before going to that, I am opening the Tally. Yes, click on educational mode. Yes, and we have to create a new company. So that is, we have to create a new company. Yes, very briefly, we shall create Rajashekar and Company. Rajashekar and Company. Yes, this is the company, and the address is you take Tharnaka. Yes, enter. We have to give all the details in this so that now click yes, saved. So Rajashekar, see here carefully, Rajashekar and Company is saved. Rajashekar and Company is saved. It is created just now. Earlier there are two companies. Only earlier it was another company, that is Vikram Limited Company, and now we have created Rajashekar and Company, and we are in the books of Rajashekar and Company. Yes. Now we are moving to see here. Yes. Before going to further into the Tally, we have to take a problem. Yes. Rajashekar has started the business with 4 lakh rupees. Purchases they are computers. You take computers as computers rupees 20,000 and purchases from Sarita 30,000. This also computers or laptops. You take laptops. If we here we have to write computers. So here purchases in bracket laptops or cell phones. So yeah, okay, laptops. Yeah. Yes. In this there are 2 stock items. So that is computers and laptops. There are 2 stock items. So now first step is over because we have created the company. Now second step is ledger creation. We are going to create the ledgers. Yes. How many ledgers should we create? See, Rajashekar is the capital. Purchases should be saved under purchases account. And again, purchases already here. If we created the if we create the ledger prior, we need not to create the ledger again. So one time is enough. And Sarita is the sundry creditor. Sundry creditor. Yes, we are moving to Tally. So first thing, ledger creation. single ledger we are creating. Yes, Rajashekar is the owner, has brought the capital into the form, so should saved under capital account. See carefully. Rajashekar is the owner, capital account. Over. Next ledger is purchases. Purchases. Enter. Enter. Should be saved under purchase account. See carefully. This is the list of the groups. See. This is the list of the groups. So our purchases should be saved under the group of purchases. So here we have to enter the purchase account. Over. Next ledger is, see here, this is over, purchase computers over. And purchases laptops. No, this we should not take the inventory items. Simply we have to see the accounts. So accounts are purchases. Here are purchases from Sarita. So we need not to create the purchases again. The ledger of purchases is already created. Now we are going to create the Sarita. So we are going to create the Sarita. Sarita is the sundry creditor because we have purchased from Sarita. It is the credit transaction. So, as it is a credit transaction, the sundry creditor should be, a ledger should be created for sundry creditor on the name of Sarita. So, I am going to Sarita. Enter sundry creditor. Yes. Save. Yeah. Now, see all ledgers are created. See this Sarita, Rajashekar, purchases. That's all. 3 ledgers are created. And after creating the ledger, we have to create the stock units and stock items. In this problem, only computers and see laptops are the stock items. Okay. So here computers. See laptops and computers are the stock items. So we have to, in what way should we count the computers? In numbers. Also laptops in numbers. So we have to create the inventory information, create the first units of measure. First we have to create the units of measure, then stock items. Listen carefully. First we have to create the units of measure and then stock items. So units of measure, create numbers. Okay. We may enter other also liters, kgs, like that. So liters, kgs. No, this is not. And this one. Another one is kgs. but we need only numbers. In this problem, we need only numbers. Saved. Next thing is we have created the units of measure. For measurement, we have created the units. Now we have to create the stock items which was enlightened, which was marked with the yellow figure, yellow color. So they are computers and laptops. These are the stock items. So computers, yes, primary. Numbers, we have to count. We generally count the computers in numbers, so we have to enter numbers. Yes. Next, laptops. So this is also numbers. Cell phones. This is also numbers. Yes. So now what happened? What we have done? We have created the ledgers and also we have created the stock items. Created the ledgers for accounts and also created the stock items to enter the stock. Yes. Now the accounting vouchers. First we have to go for accounting vouchers. So this is the third step. Creation of the ledgers and stock items is the second step, and we are going to the third step, that is the ledger accounting vouchering. So we have to enter all these details in the accounts. Rajashekhar has started the business with 4 lakhs. Yes. So Rajashekhar, it is a receipt. Rajashekhar has brought the cash into the firm. So it is a receipt because cash is received from Rajashekhar for the purpose of business. So it is a receipt from whom? Rajashekhar. How much amount? 4 lakhs. See again, cash received. This is a receipt. So see here, it will appear receipts, purchases, counter entry, payment, sales, like this. All those items are seen here. And the receipt is cash from Rajashekhar and it is 4 lakhs. So Rajashekhar has started the business with 4 lakhs. See this? Okay. Now save, enter. Another thing is, most important thing is narration. We have to write the narration. So being the capital is received, is brought by Rajashekhar, or being the capital is brought into firm. Yes. This is the narration. Accept, yes or no. We have to, if we enter, it will be saved. Yes. So first entry is over. Now we are going to the second entry, that is purchases computers. This is cash purchases. Simply, this is cash purchase. For our understanding, I am mentioning here. So cash purchases. This is credit purchase. For our understanding, I am saying credit purchase. See this is cash purchase and this is credit purchase for our understanding. Yes. Okay. So now I am deleting all these. No, Now, this entry is over. Accounting vouchering is completed for the first entry. And we are going to the second entry, purchases computers. Purchases computers. Yes. See, purchases. Here you have to see the purchases where it is existed and click on that. Yes, purchases. No, because it is the cash purchases. So it is a receipt of the cash. So simply you have to click on receipt. Listen carefully. This is also receipt. Receipt or payment. We have purchased the material from others. So we have paid the amount to others. We have paid the amount to others. So payment, cash, to whom it is paid. No, for what? For purchases. Okay, stock item, you take computers. First one is, I think, computers. So computers. Yes. Quantity, you take. So computers 2 at the rate of 10 each, 10,000 each. This is the entry. See, total 20,000, 10,000 each at the rate of 2. So here quantity only 2. Enter rate 10,000. Enter amount is 20,000. Enter, enter, enter. Yes. Over. Next, we have to write the narration. Purchased the material or purchases. Okay. Purchases of 2 computers. Computers at the rate 10,000 each. Each. Yes, over. Next entry is, see carefully, purchases from Sarita. It is the credit purchases, laptops. Laptops. So again, this is not payment. Neither it is neither payment nor receipt, because it is the purchases. So some invoice number. Enter, enter. So party name Sarita. Yes. Reference something. Sarita. Yes, here purchase ledger. So purchases. Which one we purchased? Which article is it purchased? So laptops. Laptops. How many laptops? See here laptops. Laptops 1. Just laptops, 1 laptop. You take 1. 1 laptop, 30,000. Yes, this is. So only 1 laptop we have purchased. So we have to enter laptops, quantity 1, rate 30,000, enter 30,000. Oh, sorry, yes. Yeah. Next, being the laptop, not laptop, but being the purchases are done. Accept, yes, sir. Yes, we have accept. Over. See here. No, another. Only 3 transactions we have. See now, we are in the books of Rajshekar and company. Yes. Rajashekharan company. And first step, we have created the company on the name of Rajashekharan company. Second step, accounting information and inventory information. Third step is accounting vouchers. Now we are going to see the reports. See balance sheet. This is the balance sheet. 4,30,000. Capital account 4 lakhs. Current liabilities 30,000 total. Because to understand clearly, we have been practicing the problems with the 2-3 counting transactions. So it will be easy to you to understand. This is the profit and loss. Purchases 50,000, closing stock 50,000. Because profit is not existed, because we have not done sales. We have not executed the sales. In the further problems, we shall see the sales also. Next, stock summary. See here. These are the stock 2 computers, 1 laptop. And this is the ratio analysis. This is see, this is the day book, purchases, Rajashekar, all the day books, and the statement of accounts. Not payables, not receivables, ledgers, only Sarita. See, 30,000 we have to. Yes. So in this way, we can create a company, create the ledgers and inventory items, and at last we can voucher the accounting transactions. So tomorrow in the next class we shall take more transactions so that you can understand very easily in further classes. Thank you all.